Hey, what's up you guys? This is your girl 121085 Baby Girl. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how I depot L'Oreal Decrease eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer, however you say that. No, it's eyeshadow base. But I will show you guys how I depot it, so if you want to watch, stay tuned. My husband and I already cut the end of it like that open, and I done took some of it out already and put it in here. There's the top right there, but you guys should see how much they had in there, you know what I'm saying? And I'm still taking some more out of there. So that's all you have to do is like cut the end of it with a knife. Just be careful, cut the end of it with a knife gently, and just open it up and take this stick right here. I can't use both of my hands because I'm using a camera with one, but you just take it out like that, you know, just scoop it out like that, and just, you know, just put it in a little container like this. I have a little small container, it goes with the lid, but this is what I put mine in. But you know, this could save a lot of money for you, well, a couple of dollars for you by depotting it. So this is my video on depotting L'Oreal Decrease eyeshadow primer. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.